Howdy, Possum Patty here, and you may remember this beautiful owl journal that I created with a kit from OneDaySaving. Now this is like diamond painting, but it's not a full sheet. It's just these really fun shapes. This was so quick and easy to do, and I just love it. No, I haven't journaled in it yet, but I will do journaling in here. Well, OneDaySaving reached out to me and said, will you do another unboxing? And I said, yes, I would, of course. Yes, please. So here is my second unboxing for OneDaySaving. Let me just give you another look at this owl journal. I just want to show you how there is so many different shapes of these jewels and pearls. And look at these. Aren't these gorgeous? It just made such a fun cover on my journal. And you know I love to do all different kinds of covers. Looks like a leather or faux leather. And let me show you the sheets inside. I could almost make this a sketchbook. Very nice paper on the inside. So this is the one I completed last time, and you know I'm in love with it, So let's get to the unboxing of the new products from OneDaySaving, and I will link discount codes and coupons and the website below. Unfortunately, little Miss TT was very impatient about me not opening this right away. So I figured I'd better get to it. I have two new projects to start. And the first one is, yes, another journal. So let me just open this kit up and show you what is inside. Now this is the same size as this journal, which is almost 6 by a little more than 8. So let's just call it 6 by 8. So it's about 6 by 8. And this one is also the same style in that there is like a background picture and you're adding the jewels and gems to the picture. But you can see this one is floral. You know I love my florals, and it's a little bit more like a tapestry with sort of the leaf motif going around and then the tapestry like flowers. But you can see, sorry about the glare there, you can see that these are going to be all different shapes too. Okay, now there are letters and numbers to help you know what to put where. And you get a whole pack of these jewels. I know they call them drills, but you know, to me these are jewels. Now look at the colors on this. I will show you what this looks like online so you can get an idea of the finished piece. So these are like iridescent turquoise and gold and round ones and medium size, and then you got a lot of these little tiny ones and iridescent colors. Look at these. This is going to be gorgeous. Like a champagne color there. Alright, so that will be my next journal project. I might wind up with a whole set of these at some point. Of course, they give you the tray and the tools that you need and the little wax there to put this together. And I will be sharing with you how to do this. Very easy. This was my very first diamond painting. And to tell you the truth, I never thought I would ever do a diamond painting when I look at those huge sheets that people do with every little tiny piece filled in with these little tiny bit of drills. But I said, let me give it a try. Let me give it a try. I am interested in journaling. And I made this, and it was quick, it was easy, it was fun, and I have this beautiful journal to show for it. And now I will have a floral. You know, like I just said, I just might wind up with a whole collection of these. And this is also like the sketchbook paper. So I will be working on this with you. If you would like to pick up your diamond painting and join me, that would be much appreciated. Oh, and you keep this plastic on the cover because this, you don't want the stickiness to come off. You don't want it to get dirty. Everything will stick to it. But I will show you all that when I do this. I am by no means an expert on doing diamond painting, but this was so fun to do. And I really mean that. This was, I had a blast doing this one. All right, next project, moving on. This is another type of diamond painting that is like that one, where it is not a full sheet. I forget what they call these. And it is also a floral pattern. Oops, uh-oh. The plastic that's supposed to stay on there just stuck to the outer plastic, but that's okay. I'll just lay it back on there because you want to keep that covered. You don't take that off. I learned that. You don't take that off. Nope, nope, nope. You leave that on. You leave that on. There we go. That has to stay on. Now this is much smaller, and you see there's pockets. So this is what they call a passport cover. So this will be a small journal. And this is, I can use my small ruler for this one. So this is almost 4 by 5 and, so say 4 by 5.5-ish. I don't have a centimeter ruler with me right now. And this is leather. Very nice, very thin, very soft. So I was thinking I would make a small journal, and then you can slip it, the cover, into here. And then this would be all jewels, right? Beautiful design on the cover. So I will bring you along on the journey of making this journal too. So I will start with making the journal that will fit inside and doing the cover. So this will be 2 projects to do this year. And let me just show you the jewels that go with this one. Again, I love the floral design, and this one's a little boho. It's got some paisley-like designs on it. It's got plenty of different shapes and colors, and the larger jewels. And it's not the whole thing just done in drills. It's just like the design, you know, like the owl is going to be, and like the cover on this one is going to be. So let me share with you what these look like, and then we'll hop over to the website so you can see the finished products. And I love the little iridescent teardrop shaped ones. Some orange, larger orange ones. Champagne color, and there's the orange iridescent ones. And some green ones. And you get a whole bunch of different ones in here. Look at these gorgeous, these large teardrop. Now I'm looking at this, see? Why do I like these large teardrops? Look at my ring. Look at my ring, see? Oops, focus. teardrop shape, right? Teardrop shape. Little iridescent ones. And sort of an orange, like a carnival glass. Very pretty. They iridesce like carnival glass does. So you get all your tools again. Same set. And yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun. I don't want to lose all these packages. And I want to make sure the little kitty doesn't get into this. Okay, so I'm going to take you over to the website just to show you the gorgeousness of these things. And that's why I brought this one out. Because when these projects are completed, they are just awesome. I just wanted to show you how these products looked on their website so you can see them finished, how gorgeous they are. This is the sketchbook. It is A5 size, 50 pages, diamond painting, $9.08, but you can get coupons, and there is, don't forget, my discount code, which I will put below, and I will put the links to these. Just showing you the different pictures here, how pretty it is. Sketchbook. And it shows you here everything that you get in the kit. So let's hop over to the passport protective cover. It is called leather. And it is $4.99, but don't forget discounts and coupons. And you can see all the special shaped gems on here, the diamonds and the green. Beautiful boho shaped paisley here with the flowers, surrounded by the flowers. It shows you how you can slip your passport. I'm going to make a little notebook and make a little journal with this. This is going to be super fun. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? So I will be doing a process video on turning this into a journal. So I hope you stay tuned for that. So thanks for coming along today. And if you would like to check out their website, don't forget now, the links are below. My discount coupon is below. Please use them. And maybe if you're a journaler like I am, do check out their journal projects. Because maybe, like me, you said, I'm not into diamond painting. But this is super easy, super quick, super fun to do. And look at the gorgeous journal you wind up with. Thanks for coming along today. Happy junk journaling. Bye-bye.